Hello everyone. How many times have you checked your phone while going through this course? How many notifications have distracted you, and you've mindlessly let the lecture play on in the background while being distracted by your phone? You're not alone. It's easy to get lost in our screens. But what if I told you that by reducing your screen time, you could improve your health, boost your productivity, grow in your career, and even feel happier? Today, we're going to explore practical techniques for cutting down on screen time and reclaiming more balance in our lives. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify practical techniques for limiting screen usage, implement strategies to maintain a healthy balance between screen time and other activities, practical techniques for reducing screen time, screen-free socializing, plan social activities that don't involve screens, host game nights, potlucks, barbecue nights, or outdoor sports events with friends and family. This strengthens personal connections and reduces the inclination to check devices. Story: the Unplugged Game Night. Rebecca and her friends started a monthly game night where everyone leaves their phones in a basket by the door. They spend the evening playing board games and enjoying each other's company. These nights have become a favorite tradition, deepening their friendships and providing a much-needed break from screens. Nature immersion. Spend more time outdoors and immerse yourself in nature. Plan regular picnics or camping trips where digital devices are limited or completely off-limits. Nature immersion reduces screen time and promotes physical and mental well-being. Example: weekend nature retreats. Tom schedules monthly weekend retreats to nearby nature reserves. During these retreats, he leaves his phone behind and focuses on hiking, birdwatching, and meditating by the lake. This practice not only reduces his screen time, but also recharges his mind and body. Digital sabbaticals. Take extended digital sabbaticals, where you unplug from all digital devices for a week or more. Use this time for travel, creative projects, family, or deep personal reflection. Digital sabbaticals provide a significant break from screens and offer profound insights into your relationship with technology. Analogy: the tech cleanse. Think of a digital sabbatical as a cleanse for your mind. Just as a detox diet removes toxins from the body, a digital sabbatical helps clear mental clutter caused by constant screen exposure. After a week-long sabbatical, you return to your devices with a renewed perspective and healthier digital habits. Screen time rewards. Implement a reward system for limiting screen time. Set specific goals and reward yourself with enjoyable offline activities or treats when you meet them. This positive reinforcement can make reducing screen time more motivating and fun. Example: rewarding discipline. Melissa set a goal to limit her social media use to 30 minutes per day. Each week she successfully meets this goal. She rewards herself with a visit to her favorite cafe or a new book. This system keeps her motivated and has significantly reduced her screen time. Engaging offline hobbies. Rediscover and invest time in offline hobbies and activities that you enjoy. Whether it's cooking, gardening, painting, or playing a musical instrument, engaging in offline pursuits can significantly reduce your reliance on screens and bring a sense of fulfillment and creativity into your life. Tech-free commute. Transform your daily commute into a tech-free zone. Use this time to listen to music or audiobooks, or simply observing your surroundings. A tech-free commute not only reduces screen time, but also provides a calm and reflective start and end to your workday. Example: the relaxed commuter. Anna decided to leave her phone in her bag during her daily train commute. Instead, she started listening to her favorite audiobooks and observing the scenery. She found that this change made her commutes more enjoyable and less stressful, helping her arrive at work feeling refreshed. Assignment: plan a screen-free adventure day filled with fun activities like hiking, cooking, jogging, or visiting a museum. Document your day with photos or drawings and share your adventure story. For further reading, I suggest Bored and Brilliant: How Spacing Out Can Unlock Your Most Productive and Creative Self by Manoush Zomorodi. Zomorodi explores how reducing screen time can lead to greater creativity and productivity, providing practical exercises and insights.